Products directly from the factory, such as materials and equipment for the development of oil and gas projects, highlighting casing, bits, tubing, top driver, drill pipe collar, valves, high PSI, powerhouse equipment, pumping unit, sucker rod pumps, wellhead and XMOS tree BOP, pressure vessel, oil recovery tools, among others. Construction materials such as aggregates, sand and crushed stone, cement, iron rod, beam, metallic structure, and all consumables for construction. Machinery, cement plants, asphalt plants, aggregate plants, and mobile cement pumps. Also electrical materials such as cables, electrical control boxes, lighting and lighting systems, and conduit. Equipment, materials and installation of fire protection systems, alarm systems, and their EPC commissioning services. Materials in general such as PSI valves, PVC, stainless steel, carbon iron steel, instrumentation equipment and telecommunications equipment. Excel Logistics and Management Services, Guyana Incorporated, through the Procurement and Supply Chain Business Management Division, has signed more than 20 MOUs, Memorandum of Agreement for the supply chain, directly with the different factories located in the USA, China, Brazil, Mexico, Venezuela, and Colombia. Additionally, an agreement was signed with an important shipping company to carry out maritime transport to be able to move the loads to their final destination. It is noteworthy that these agreements will allow to reduce the investment of expenses in the acquisition of materials, equipment, and industrial supplies, as well as the execution and the planning of the constructions. The Excel Logistic and Management Services, Guyana Incorporated, with the guidance of Excel Procurement and Supply Chain Business Management Division, under the leadership of its manager Licenciado Eugene Gonzalez, with a large work trajectory experience in the different projects development, such as oil and gas field operation, construction EPC, plant and refinery erection, is a valuable success asset for Excel Logistic and Management Services, Guyana Incorporated, towards their clients. Excel Procurement and Supply Chain Business Management, under the executive direction of Chris Sammy and Michael Smith, for the development and construction of the different projects in execution into the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. Excel Procurement and Supply Chain Business Management.